Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to Just World's YouTube channel, where we talk about finance, personal development, travel, and community service. In today's episode, we take you through a hidden gem in Mombasa Old Town. Did you know that you can swim in Mombasa Old Town? If you knew, that's good. If you didn't know, behind Fort Jesus, around Old Town, you can enjoy a swim by the ocean. In most cases, when you're in Mombasa, you consider going to Pirates, which is in Bamburi, for the beach experience. If you're not in a position to go to Bamburi, this is your place to go. The only difference is that at this place, you will not be able to have a place to leave your clothes unless you're living in Mombasa town. But when you go to Pirates, you will be able to get somewhere you pay and you leave your clothes and have your beach experience and also your valuables. To get to this place, the most convenient way is the tuk-tuk, because it will drop you by Fort Jesus. Then when you are at Fort Jesus, you take a walk to the beach and then you get to experience I don't know whether to call it a beach, by the way, because there's no beach. There's just the water has moved a bit. For security, there's a couple of street boys, so you should be on the lookout, and they tend to engage you. Actually, one of them amused us because he was asking for a hug when we were leaving. Who does that? I will leave you with a view. Kindly comment down below with your take on the place. Today is a calm and silent video,